All right, we are on number 3. I went ahead and I did this with the student, so I'm going to go back. So on here, the first thing I did was I read what it says. So Mike has $30. So I went ahead and underlined $30 because that is important that we know the amount of money he started with. So he has $30 in his wallet. Each day he spends $5 on breakfast. So spends, I put a minus up here because when we spend money, the amount of money we have decreases. And in this case, Mike decreases each day by $5. Now, each day, we don't know how many days he's getting breakfast for, so we would write an X there. Anytime you see a function, when it's asking you to write a function, this is saying, hey, use function notation. So function notation is f of x. So you want to make sure to use f of x to write your function. Then here we have f of x is equal to the amount of money he started with, which is 30, minus your $5 a day. Or if you like to arrange it, it would be minus 5x plus 30. Now B says find the x and y intercepts for your function. So here it is. F of x is equal to, it doesn't matter which one you use. I'm going to choose to use this one here, 30 minus 5x. Now remember, f of x is just a really fancy way to say y. So I'm going to rewrite this in terms of y. To find your x-intercept, we want to set y equal to 0. And to find your y-intercept, we want to set x equal to 0. So if we are setting, I'm going to use the trick from the number 1. So if I want to set y equal to 0, I'm going to set y equal to 0. I'm going to move this paper up just a little bit. So this is 0 is equal to 30 minus 5x. So I'm going to solve for x. I'm going to subtract 30 from both sides. I'm going to write here because I am running out of room. So I have negative 30 is equal to negative 5x. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5x. $30 divided by 5 is 6. 2 negatives make a positive, so I have x is 6. So therefore, my x-intercept is a point. So I'm going to write 6, 0. My y-intercept, we're setting x equal to 0. So this is where I get to use the method from before. So where's x? X is right here. I'm going to cover it. And so then I have y equals 30. So this one I don't really need to do anything. I just cover up my x and it already tells me what y is. Equals 30. So our y-intercept again is a point with 0, 30. Here's our y-intercept. Here is our x-intercept.